Hey guys, it's Raimi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a room tour video. This video was much requested on my Instagram, and I think it's because I post like little snippets on my Instagram story and you guys are just like,
I wonder what the rest of it looks like.
So here we are. It's not perfect, but I love my room and I'm in here all the time, so alright guys, let's get right into the video. Hey MTV and welcome to my crib. Okay, I just always wanted to do that. Let's do this for. Well, here's a quick overview of my room. But when you first walk into my room, behind the door, there's just this mirror. I don't know where it's from. I've had it for a long time, but every time my friends come over, they're always like, "You're so small, I can't even see myself." They can only see like your torso. Here is my little like hanger thing. I keep my backpack, my purses. There's more, but my mom loves to steal them. And my one belt. So next we have my desk, and we have this chair from IKEA. It's just like a teal blue one. I fell in love with it. And I also have this little Home Goods white rug on the floor with like my chargers and stuff. And then I just have my Target desk and my vanity mirror. And I have some makeup that I just use every day on my desk, my brushes, and all of that. This drawer is most likely a mess, but this is where I keep all my lashes and just like random stuff. I clean it out like very regularly, but you know, it just gets like that. We all have that drawer, you know? Right? Then we have my closet, and you'll never guess what I keep in here. Clothes. Yeah. I have my shoes at the bottom, and then up here I have some like old yearbooks. This basket's where I keep my curling iron and my straightener, and then I just have like, you can probably barely see that. Oh, there we go. All my camera stuff. And then my favorite part, which is my bed. I love it so much. I used to have an all pink bed. It was just like a pink ruffled comforter, and I decided to grow up a little bit and get like white sheets and gray like bedding to match my walls. But then I just couldn't stray away from the pink, so I found this pink fur blanket and I fell in love with it, and I got it at Target. It's amazing. You guys, it kills me that this painting isn't centered, but at one time, it technically was centered because my bed used to be like this way and it was centered over my bed that way, but now I have to live with it like this. And if you're like me, then this is really hard to look at. I'm really sorry. Every beauty guru has an Alex drawer from IKEA. She's just filled with makeup and skincare. This is my favorite part of my room besides my bed, is me hoarding all of my palettes, all of my makeup. I'll never let go of it. Skincare drawer, fave. And then it just keeps going on and on and on. Alright, and then up here I have my Himalayan salt lamp. I have a little dachshund like jewelry holder because I have a dachshund and we're best friends and I love her. My little mirror, I just use this for like when I'm putting my skincare on. I have some hoops and stuff. My favorite perfume, but it's from Kat Von. I won't vaccinate my kids, but it still smells really good. Then I have this little like fake IKEA plant, but I love it so much. And I just didn't want to put like dirt in my room for like a real plant. So yeah. And then I have the corsage that Bruno gave me at prom. I love it so much. It still looks really good. Like, wow, it's still alive. Well, it's dead, obviously, but like, you know what I mean. And then I have this energy lotion because I'm always low on energy, always tired, and I think this is like the placebo effect, but I love using it because like, at least it makes me think that it's working. And then I have the government in my room. Hey, Alexa.
Hi.
All right. So right next to that, I have my window, and I love letting the natural light in because I'm always like, oh my gosh, like the light will make you happier and make you, you know, in a better mood. So I used to have curtains, but then the whole entire rod fell down. well, like half of it fell, and then like it was just gonna fall anyways, so I just took it down. And so now I don't have curtains, and I feel like sometimes curtains are a helpful thing, but the universe doesn't want me to have curtains, so it's fine. And we're fine. And I was literally just trying to say I don't have curtains, and I just made it into this whole big thing now. But that's you get it now. You get it. I have this beauty, which is the picture that my boyfriend gave me on our 2-year anniversary, and it is the sky of the night that we had our first kiss, and it's beautiful, and I love astrology so much. See, it's just so cute and thoughtful. I'm just like, wow, I love it so much. And this is kind of just the ugly corner of where I have my ring light and my fan, because I get super, super hot, but I have it off because I'm filming and I don't want you guys to hear like the zzzz. So yeah, the TV that I never use, and my laundry basket that doesn't match, because I used to have like a black and white themed room, but now it doesn't match, and I'm just like, oh man. And those are my college textbooks that literally cost me my whole entire life, and I hate it, but it's fine. Alright, so now we have my dresser. And on my dresser, I just have some more makeup stuff. This is kind of just like mascaras and tweezers. And this is like a little fake succulent plant that my best friend Brianna got for me. And this is also where I keep all my lipsticks here, and then in that little section I have some cute palettes that I just think look pretty on my, what's this called? My desk. Still wrong. Oh my gosh. It's 100% a dresser. I have my little Fenty section, and then some oils for my skin. And this is just some fake sunflowers that my boyfriend got me one day when I was feeling really sad, but he couldn't find anywhere that had real ones, so he went to Dollar Tree and he got me like a fake bouquet of these fake sunflowers, and I love them so much because I can just have them all the time. And yeah, it's just so sweet. Alright angels, so that's it for this video. I hope you loved it as much as I enjoyed filming it, and if you did, don't forget to, you know, hit the like button and subscribe and comment and all that jazz. And I recently got some new subscribers, and I just wanted to say, hey, I love you already, and thank you so much for sticking around. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos, then you know, stay tuned for next week. I love you guys so, so, so much. Bye.